Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we are discussing the English semester 2 of degree first year subject. Okay, so whatever the methods and whatever the tips and tricks I'm showing in this video is helpful for all students of degree streams, whether it is a BSc, BBA, BCom and BA, anything. Okay, so I will give certain tips because in semester 1 whatever the tips I have given, many of the students were scored A plus or O grade, many of that. So that's why I'm doing this video again in semester 2. Okay, so students, coming back to the syllabus point, the first unit is you are having the two prose and poem or two lessons. Okay, the first is the felling of the banyan tree, the second is the bet. Okay, so this is the syllabus of first unit. And grammar topics also you are having oxymoron and hyperbole, main verbs and tenses, paragraph and paragraph writing essentials, and decision making. These are all the bits. Okay, so this is the syllabus content. Once you check out your syllabus content, whether it is same for not only for Usmania University, any other university, if you people are also watching like Mahatma Gandhi University or any other university, you can check out the syllabus. If the syllabus content is same, means mostly 90% of the syllabus will be same for all the universities. If it is same, means you can follow whatever the tips I am showing in this video. It will be helpful for you to score O grade in this subject. Okay, passing English subject is easy, but scoring O grade is the toughest subject. Some of the students are also commented that Akka have written the examinations of English very well, but still I am not getting O grade, like that. Okay, so in this video I will tell certain tips so that it will be useful to you all students. Okay, so this is the syllabus point. This is the third unit. Okay, different history you will have, and noble lecture you will have for the part B. And unit number 8, that is last unit, that is unit number 4, you are having two units again, lady masbelit and thing you are having. And thing is question paper pattern ma. Question paper pattern is in part 8, consists of total 20 marks. You need to attempt 5 questions, each carries 4 marks. Okay, 1 to 8 questions they will give. Out of 8 questions you need to do any 5 questions, and all the questions whatever you are having in your part A related to the grammar and bits only. Grammar topics only are having. There is not at all having any like essay types of questions in part A. Okay, and coming back to the part B, students, total 4 questions you need to attempt. Each one question carries 15 marks, so 4 into 15, 60 marks. Okay, this part B is totally of the theoretical only. Okay, essay questions you need to attempt. As it is for 15 marks, you need to write like around 4 or 5 pages. Okay, side by side, front and back, 4 or 5 pages is must and should to score 15, or like for 15 marks question you will score like around 12 or 13 marks if you have written all the answers by front and back 5 sides means. Okay, so for part B question, students, ninth question will, in each question you will have internal choice. No, ninth A will come from the filling of the banyan tree, ninth B will come from the bet. Okay, so out of these two chapters, out of these two lessons, you need to prepare any one lesson, it will be helpful. Okay, out of these two lessons, the filling of the banyan tree lesson is little bit easy compared to the bet. Okay, if you are feeling the bet is easy, you can learn it. Okay, and from unit number 2, means 10th A will come from a walk by moonlight, and 10th B will come from how the coronavirus sparked a wave of innovation in India. Out of these two chapters, how the coronavirus is important, and you can easily write that circumstances whatever we have faced by your own. Okay, so prepare that unit. Okay, that lesson. Okay, from unit number 3, that is 11th question. In part B, A will come from a different history, B question will come from noble lecture 7 December 1993. So both are easy, you can prepare any one according to your choice. And the last question, that is 12th A question, will come from ladies Macbeth speech from Macbeth Act 19, that is scene 5, and how I became a public speaker. Out of these two, how I became a public speaker is little bit easy compared to that. Okay, and in part A grammar topic, students, if you want to learn any, if you want to attempt 5 questions in this part A. If you want to attempt after completing part B only, you need to attempt part A. Grammar topics is easy, you can complete it by within 20 or 25 minutes approximately. Remaining 2.5 hours whatever you are having, you need to allot that time for your essay answers. Each answer at least you should take half an hour, okay? Then only you can easily complete it by 2 hours, and half an hour is for grammar and half an hour you can write the extra questions, or else you can check out the answers, everything, okay? So this is the time management, students, okay? And the thing is, don't do any strikes, don't do any mistakes. Your paper presentation should be neat and clean to score O grade in the English subject, okay? So easily you can get past, okay? So whatever the grammar topics I am showing in this video, you prepare that. Important questions also I will display now, and this PDF is also having in our Telegram group. If you want this PDF also, I will upload it in Telegram group. Telegram group link is given in the description box, okay? You can check out in our Telegram group, join with our link. You can find out the notes PDF, not only for English, all the remaining subjects whatever you are having, you can easily get the notes PDF also, okay students? If you are attempting part A, attempt all bits. If they are giving 8 bits, you attempt total 8 bits, okay? So whatever the top 5 bits you are scoring the highest marks, that will be taken into the consideration, okay students? So that's why part B 4 questions. After completing 4 questions only, try to attempt part A, and part A all bits you attempt. Still if you are having time means, again you write the extra, keep the heading extra questions, and if you are writing the part B answers means, you can make a number on it and write the answers, okay students? So whatever the grammar topic pics I am showing in the screen, you practice this. This is the important and most repeated grammar topic also will be here. And the part B, what you need to be perfect with, no need to learn any lessons, just only summaries, okay? You need to remember the summaries. For prepare only summaries for part B. If you want to score 60 marks means, easily if you want to get passing marks in English means, just prepare any 4 lessons, whatever the lessons I have shown, summaries, okay? Whatever the question may be, answer should be same, answer will be same only. And from each unit you are having two chapters, okay? Out of the 2 chapter, prepare any 1 chapter, it will be enough. Either A or B, any 1 question you will attempt, not both questions you will not attempt, no? So that's why prepare any 1 chapter and prepare only summaries. And for 15 marks, front and backs 5 to 6 pages is important. Front and back 5 to 6 sides is must and should, okay? So this is all about the video of the English students. I hope that you have got clarity. And whatever the other stream students, if you are watching this video, BBA, BSc, BCom, every stream important questions I have already uploaded in our channel. Just check out in our channel, so you will find the whatever the PDFs you want, okay students? So follow these tips and tricks for English examination. English examination is the first examination. Out of 100% of people who are writing English, 99% all will get pass, okay? So but as I have said, scoring the good marks, scoring the O grade is important, right? So for them I am saying certain tips. So if you want only passing marks means, just prepare any 4 summaries, it will be more than enough, okay? So this is all about the video students. I hope that you have got clarity. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, and share with all your friends and groups, okay? So whatever the doubts you are having, you can comment down in the comment section. Definitely I will try to answer it, each and every comment. And whatever the important questions you are having, whichever I have not uploaded, you mention in comment box. Definitely I will try to answer. Definitely I will try to upload that type of important questions in our channel, okay students? All the very best for your examination as well as the preparation. If you are having any doubts, you can contact me through comments, okay? See you all in the next video. Bye bye students. Thank you.